Hello, my dear student. You are welcome in RK Institute, and I am Dr. RK Sani. In previous classes, we discussed first law of thermodynamics and their parameters calculated in isothermal process. Now, we calculate their parameters in different processes like as isochoric, isobaric, adiabatic, and polytropic process. Their parameters, we remember their parameters. Work, general formula of work is P external and change in volume. Change in internal energy according to first law of thermodynamics, del U, change in internal energy Q plus W, and the mathematical formula of enthalpy. Enthalpy equals to internal energy plus product of P and V. Today we discuss these parameters in isochoric process. In isochoric process, isochoric process. Isochoric process means the volume of gas या system remains constant throughout the changes, and hence delta V is zero. Delta V is zero, therefore work is also zero, and hence according to first law of thermodynamics, change in internal energy of system, change in internal energy of gas equals to heat exchange of heat energy. Exchange of heat energy means may be absorbed or may be lost. And the heat capacity of gas या system calculated with help of delta H equals to delta U plus V delta P. In case of isochoric process, V volume remains constant, and as this formula, the formula of enthalpy equals to enthalpy plus plus internal energy and product of P or V at constant volume. This formula written as in this form. Taking a simple process. Question first. Very simple question. Pressure and volume. Ideal gas, 1 mole ideal gas. 1 mole of ideal gas take part in following process. Initial state A and their final state is B. Final state is B. Their initial volume is 1 atm and their final volume is 2 atm. Initial volume this and final volume the number of moles taken. And hence calculate work, heat energy, exchange of heat energy, change in internal energy, change in enthalpy, as well as molar heat capacity of the gas. Okay. In case of isochoric process, their work is zero, and we know that change in internal energy equals to exchange of heat energy, and for ideal gas the change in internal energy calculated with help of NCV dt. Ideal gas CV is heat capacity of the gas. Ideal gas, suppose given CV given 3 by 2R, suppose monatomic gas. With help of given CV we calculate change in enthalpy as well as change in internal energy. Calculate change in temperature, where this temperature T1 and temperature T2. T1 equals to P1 V1 upon NR. Volume remains constant, and temperature T2 P2 V2 volume remains constant upon NR. And hence we calculate change in temperature. T2 minus T1. It is known as change in temperature. We calculate change in temperature, CV given, and hence we find change in internal energy. Also find enthalpy change and Cp dt. Cp of the gas 5 by 2R, because Cp equals to Cv plus R. Cv given 3 by 2 and hence Cp 5 by 2R. During this process, then देखिए during this process pressure increase In case of ideal gas equation, when volume is constant and n are also constant, then pressure directly proportional to T. Pressure directly proportional to T. It means temperature increase during this process. When temperature increase during this process, then change in internal energy in positive sign and change in enthalpy also in positive signs, means internal energy increase, enthalpy increase of the gas during this isobaric process. Now we discuss these parameters in case of molar heat capacity. And another question, in case of molar heat capacity equals to absorbed heat upon NDT. We calculate change in temperature. We calculate change in temperature of with help of given parameter, moles given, and Q, heat exchange equals to heat exchange in this process equals to change in internal energy, and then calculate molar heat capacity of the gas. Molar heat capacity of the gas. Now we discuss isobaric process. Now discuss isobaric process. Isobaric process means pressure remains constant throughout the changes and hence change in pressure is zero. For work, P external, change in volume, pressure P external. देखो, that is isobaric process means initial pressure, final pressure and P external all are equal and remains constant in isobaric process. वापस initial pressure of gas, final pressure of gas, both are equal, no change, and they are equal to external pressure, and as external pressure remains constant, therefore P delta V. This formula is also applicable for expansion and compression, and we also write P del V को अपन लिख सकते हैं PV2 minus PV1 and hence W equals to minus, इसके लिए लिख देंगे आप nRT2 minus nRT1 and hence work is equal to nR delta T. Also calculate in case of isobaric process, change in temperature. Enthalpy in isobaric process equals to exchange of heat energy, and in case of ideal gas calculate with help of this formula, and change in energy calculate with the help of heat as well as work. Question. Now we discuss a question. First question, write sign of work, exchange of heat energy, change in internal energy and change in enthalpy of an ideal gas which take part in following process. Take part in following process. Take part in following process. With the help of graph, we understood that this process is isobaric process. Process isobaric because pressure remains constant throughout the changes, and is expansion. Isobaric and gas expand during this process. Therefore, sign of work is negative. We find enthalpy with help of NCP/dt, means we find temperature change. Ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT. Pressure, number of moles are constant, and then volume directly proportional to temperature. Volume increase means temperature also increase, and hence temperature also increase. Therefore, change in enthalpy and change in exchange energy, heat energy with positive sign, and also change in internal energy with also positive sign. Change in internal energy also with positive sign, because temperature of gas increase. Temperature of gas is also increase. Question. Another question. Simple सा sign का था. Question next. Another question. 2 moles of an ideal gas take part in isobaric process in which their volume change from 10 liter to 20 liter against constant external pressure of 2 atm. Calculate work, exchange of heat energy, change in internal energy as well as change in enthalpy of the gas. First of all, we calculate work. W equals to change in P external or change in volume, and hence P external given 2 atm, change in volume given 10 liter, therefore 20 liter atm work involved in this process, liter atm, and find in joule value, multiply by 101 into 3, then this joule work. Now we calculate change in internal energy. Change in internally equals to Q plus W. We find W and then we calculate Q. Q in isobaric process equals to change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy calculated with the help of NCP and change in temperature T2 minus T1. We find press T2 minus T1 and the heat capacity of gas. Heat capacity of gas given in this question, and T2 equals to with the help of ideal gas equation formula we find T2 P1 P2 V2 upon NR is T2, and similarly T1 P1 V1 upon NR. In this process pressure remains constant. What is the pressure of gas? Is 2 atm. In case of isobaric process, initial pressure, final pressure are equal and they have equal value with P external. Pressure given, initial volume given, N or R. Therefore, we find T1, T2 and then calculate exchange of heat energy and exchange of internal energy. Okay? And this is the isobaric process. In most of the chemical reactions are occur at constant pressure, taking 1 atm of open container. Most of the chemical reactions are occurred at constant pressure as well as constant temperature. Therefore, work of chemical reactions also calculated with help of following formula, assuming isobaric process. Work of chemical reactions in open container. Open container means pressure remains constant. If nothing is mentioned, then pressure of open container taking atmospheric pressure and it is 1 atm. Atmospheric pressure. If nothing is there given, then we assume 1 atm pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure. Formula is minus P external and change in volume, minus P external constant and change in volume. In case of chemical reaction, one is reactant change into the product, and hence minus PV2 minus PV1. In PV2 means the final condition of product and PV1 initial condition of reactant. Therefore, W equals to minus N2RT. Temperature also constant in most of the chemical reactions. P and V are constant. N2 gaseous species minus N1RT. Temperature remains constant. Therefore, in case of chemical reaction, the work is delta NG RT. What do you mean by delta NG? It is the difference of moles of gases of product to reactant. Delta NG. Question. Write sign write sign of work. Sign of work in following reaction. When zinc react with dilute HCl, then change into zinc chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. This in this reaction expansion takes place. Therefore, the sign of work is negative. Expansion takes place, increase volume of the product. The volume of product is greater than the volume of reactant. It means expansion takes place, and hence sign of work will be negative. Question next, simple question. When 56 gram zinc, when 65 gram, its atomic mass is 65. When 65 gram zinc react with excess of HCl at 300 Kelvin, then calculate work during this chemical reaction. For chemical reaction, the work equals to minus delta Ng RT. In case of chemical reaction, the work is minus delta Ng RT. Given reaction 65 ग्राम मीन्स 1 मोल. मोल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपके पास फॉर्मूला है गिवन वेट अपॉन एटॉमिक वेट 65. ये लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है नहीं क्योंकि ये तो एक्सिस में है एंड द जिंक इज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट मींस 1 मोल. और बैलेंस रिएक्शन चेक करेंगे तो 1 मोल जिंक गिव्स 1 मोल ऑफ H2 गैस. 1 मोल ऑफ H2 गैस. देयरफॉर डेल्टा Ng गैस का लेना है प्रोडक्ट माइनस रिएक्टेंट. रिएक्टेंट में कोई गैस नहीं एंड हेंस डेल्टा Ng ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन इज 1. R की वैल्यू 8.314 joule and temperature given 300 Kelvin. Therefore, this amount of work in joule done by the system. Because in negative sign. Okay, this is the isobaric reaction. We find change in enthalpy in chemical reactions. Most of the chemical reactions are occur at constant P and T. Therefore, the formula of enthalpy equals to internal energy plus PV. This equation write in this formula: change in enthalpy, change in internal energy plus P and change in volume. And also change in enthalpy equals to change in internal energy plus इसको आप लिख सकते हो PV2 minus PV1. In case of chemical reaction, PV2 equals to product, PV1 equals to reactant, and hence N2RT temperature remains constant minus N1RT. Therefore, change in enthalpy equals to change in internal energy plus delta NgRT. इसको आप क्या डिनोट कर सकते हो? डेल्टा NgRT. Hence in chemical reaction we calculate change in enthalpy with help of equation first or with help of equation second. Question. Which one is greater among delta H and delta U in following chemical reactions? H2 plus I2, H2 gas plus I2 gas gives 2HI gas. Reaction first. Second one, SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives SO3 gas. Make balance. And in third, PCl5 gas gives PCl3 gas and chlorine gas. Both reactions are occur at constant P and T. If nothing is mentioned, then we take chemical reactions at constant P and T. In case of first, we find relation between change in enthalpy and change in energy. In case of chemical reaction, is delta U plus delta H equals to delta U plus delta NgRT. In equation first, where delta Ng of the reaction is 0, change of moles of product 2 and moles of reactant are also 2. Therefore, change in moles of gaseous species 0. Therefore, in equation first, change in enthalpy equals to change in internal energy. In equation first, and hence we can say if delta Ng of reaction is 0, then delta H equals to delta U. In second case, delta Ng. In case of second case, delta Ng is -1. Is -1. Why? The delta N and product moles of product is 2 and moles of reactant are 3. Therefore, delta Ng is negative. When delta Ng is negative, it means some amount of energy subtract from delta U to make equal to delta H. It means delta U is greater than delta H. Delta U greater than delta H when delta Ng of reaction is negative. In third case, delta Ng is positive +1 because moles of gaseous product are 2 and reactant is 1. Therefore, delta Ng is +1. +1 means the some amount of energy added in internal energy change to make its value equal to delta H. It means the delta H is greater than delta U. In many times such type questions are asked by the examiner in your JEE examination as well as in NEET examination. Today we discuss isochoric process and isobaric process and calculate first law of thermodynamics parameters like as work, heat, energy, change in energy and change in enthalpy. Okay, now into